Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Insulin transport is a classic biology puzzle that we can solve quickly by looking at the endomembrane system shown in the provided figure. Let's go. Figure 1 illustrates the endomembrane system where insulin is synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum before being packaged into small transport vesicles that move toward the Golgi complex for further processing. These vesicles travel to the plasma membrane and carry the protein hormone safely. This pathway is essential for large molecules that cannot simply pass through the lipid bilayer without a container. This bulk transport process involves a vesicle fusing with the membrane to release contents. Therefore, option D is the correct answer for this biology question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given data to master the cellular export rules easily.